Excuse me.
Sven.
Pay attention to me.
Oh, well, that's where it's going.
No.
Say, Mom, I'm just trying to help.
Alright, that's it. That's the place. Thank you.
Thanks, Sven.
Thanks, buddy. Oh, no.
Zion National Park.
So I'm headed down from Angel's Landing. It is by far one of my most favorite hikes I've ever done. Lots of payoff for a relatively short hike. It is a 5.4 mile round trip. Lots of switchbacks. It is a hard hike. They label it strenuous, so be mindful of that. The last half mile really takes a lot of time. You're on chains, very, very steep drop-offs, and kind of single file order. You can only go one at a time. So that takes a little bit more time, but I think it took me like about 3.5 hours, and I am not in the best shape I've ever been in, but man, the views on this thing are incredible. Should definitely must do it.
Today we decided to get me out of the rig after Rhiannon went on a big hike this morning. So we are driving through the
Kolob Canyon.
Yes, that one. And it is absolutely gorgeous, just breathtaking with all of the red mountains and greenery. It's a very unique perspective.
Yeah, we have a few hikes planned for Jordy and I, as she has broken feet and finger. I'll be pushing her in her own ride. Stay tuned, keep watching so you can see that.
It'll be exciting.
Woohoo!
We're going to explore Zion. I'm in my wheelchair, and she's the best friend that ever lived. She is driving so I can see this. Oh. Oh, it's a bumpy ride. Ooh. Wah, wah, wah. That's as far as we go. So gorgeous.
Great. Zion, you are just doing it to me. Whew. Still another one of the coolest hikes I've ever been on. This is really, really neat. One good thing about Zion is if you are or happen to be hiking alone, there's plenty of other people around, just so you kind of feel like if something did happen, somebody would be close enough to be able to help, or I don't know, things that go through my head. I'm actually sweating. I thought it was going to be freezing cold. The water's about 64 degrees. It feels incredible. Definitely glad that I got out of my comfort zone and decided to do this, even though Jordan's hurt. I think I'm maybe about 3 miles in, right where it divides. I'm gonna go check that out, maybe go left for just a little bit, and then I'm gonna head back. Definitely gets a lot less people the further out you get. Don't worry, there are people close though. I give it to you. Not alone.